Let's start cooking these white beans. It's already soaked overnight in cold water. I prefer adding boiling water because it's easy to start to boil because the water is already hot. Water is boiling. Lower the heat, and this should take about 30 minutes, a little bit longer than 30 minutes. Now that you know how to cook white beans, let me show you what's in the menu. We have pork and we have beans. Let's cook pork and beans. Pork already seasoned with salt and pepper and star anise. I'm just browning the pork in olive oil for a few seconds on each side. Remove the pork. Add more olive oil if necessary. Add diced onion. Let's add the beans. I'm mashing it with the back of my cooking spoon, which is rather big. I'm mashing it because then it will become so creamy. Let's put the pork back to the pan with the beans. Cover it. Lower the heat. And this should not take time to cook because the meat was too thin and beans are already cooked. It smells so delicious, and I'm going to serve it with broccoli. New recipe for you to try. It really is delicious.